Never launch an ad campaign before you know this.
Your target.
Now, I'm going to show you how you can match your targeting strategies with Meta Ads system.
Number 1, where do they live? This will turn into location targeting here. And number 2, what's their age range? This will determine this part. And number 3, what language do they speak? You can add those languages here once again. But let's go even deeper. Click edit here and click browse. We always talk about understanding their demographics and also psychographics. Demographics you can choose from here, and psychographics you can choose from these areas.
Also, once you understand their pain points, you can actually use in your copywriting, like your ad creatives and also in primary text headline and CTA and links and more.
When you think about your audience, what platform they use, you can specifically choose the multiple platforms here, the specific placements they use. Probably you don't know how to study target audience effectively and thoroughly. Here is a good news. I have free masterclass training for these parts, especially how to find out your ICP target audience effectively so that you don't have to ever think about target audience or finding ICP once again. Even I'm giving you the free template. Link in my bio. Follow for more.